of the purchase is on the 12th, and then the due date, in order if there is any, maybe if the if there is any balance that this particular company has to give to us, it will be on this particular in January 1st 2016. Okay, yes. So another thing, we have seen the record button. So if we come here, create, this is going to clear everything, and then we'll have to start a new record. Now let us just say we want to save as Excel. Now this is going to do two things. If we hit this button, even this one, this two, it is going to save this in a folder that I've created already. Okay, there is a path that I've created. It is going to save it there with the name of the invoice number. So we're going to see this invoice number there, and that we equally see the name of the owner of the company. Okay, yes, and same thing with this one. And then another thing, it will create a link for us. If it's going to create a link for us, if it is for the PDF, a link will be here. If it is for the Excel sheet, for Excel, a link will be here. So let me just go to the path. This is our folder. This is where everything will be saved. As you can see, it is empty at the moment. It is empty. So let us say save, right? We want to save this. It has already been saved. So if we go to that folder, we should be, this is it here. We should see that is the order name, which is 90, the invoice number, I beg your pardon, and then the name of the owner of the company is called here. We can still customize this. Maybe we want to see the name of the owner of the company's name, and then the purchase order, everything we can see, or the date which this particular invoice has been saved. We can still customize the codes that we have inside this macro to show us this information. Okay, and then let us, if we now go to our record invoice, now this is our link. A link has been generated for us, and if we click on this link, it's going to open this this saved with this. As you can see, there is a name here. All right, it's going to open it here. We can close this, and then if we want to save it as a PDF, it's going to do the same thing, just like this one. Okay, so if I hit save, if we go to our folder, we should be able to have it there. Seem I've not. Okay, I think that has been done. If we go to our folder, if it is under here, go to my template. This is our PDF here, the one that I've just saved, and then we equally go to this record invoice. We will equally see the PDF here. If we click on it, it's going to open our invoicing PDF format. So yeah, if we want to send this, maybe if we want to send this to the clients, maybe we have offered them the hard copy, but we still want to send it to them by email, or we want to send to other team members that will be working on this invoice as well. You can just hit this send by this button. When you hit it, and then it's going to open Outlook. I'm not connected right now on the internet, so if you're connected and then you just go to next, the file already will be attached in the email in Outlook, and then you just input the information, the email of that particular client and some information or to whoever you want to send, and then you send it to them. And then, sorry, and then this is equally going to create the date. If we send it, is going to create the date when we've sent it and the time as well. As you can see, we've sent it on the 12th at 8 minutes past at 8 minutes past 14 o'clock, 16 o'clock, sorry. Okay, so if you come to this client list, you can see that we have just some few clients. Let me just say we have some new clients that we don't have them in this list. So if we have them, we just have to add them here. Let me just say Amy. Who? Let me just say this, and then its company's name. We can say Amy Beauty. Street. Let's just say Street 7. Their telephone number. Their email. And then the location of their company. Let's just say Bamenda. And then so if we go to our invoice template, if we come here, we should be able to see our new we should be able to see our new client's information here. Her name should be here, and then we from it, we're going to see all our information. Amy Beauty, Street 7, this is our telephone number, and then blah blah blah. We can input now if maybe she comes to purchase something, we can do it. And then when we record, we click on record, it will have the information here, etc. So this is very, I think this is very, very important, right? Because at times maybe you will write an invoice and send it to clients. Maybe if it is a hard copy and tomorrow you'll be looking for it, you won't be able to see it, or they might tell you that we have misplaced it. So when you do this, you record the invoice, you will still have it in your database. And then when you send it to them by mail, I think this is it avoids some of these problems. Okay, now, okay, let us see. Yeah, we haven't seen this. We have not to look at this other column. This other column. So this other column has to do with. Okay, let us just go to. Let us see something. Right. Let us clear everything. Okay, let me just see this particular person, and then let us change this date. Okay, let us say 08 8 months 14 2025. So this invoice was done on this date, and the terms, and this person, maybe he didn't pay all, or he did not pay at all, and he was supposed to pay, it was supposed to be due in 30 days, but we haven't seen he or she has not paid. So if we now hit record, let us see what is going to happen. Let us record this, and then we go to our records invoice. As you can see, this is showing red. It is showing red because the due date has already expired, and this particular client has not paid this amount. Okay, that is why it's showing red. However, maybe if he or she pays, we can just come here and then say yes. Sorry, you can come here and then say yes. So it's going to change. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. This template is already available. If you need it, you can contact me by phone number or through WhatsApp, or you can send us an email. Distance is not a barrier as far as this is concerned. Okay, distance is not a problem. No matter where you are found, you can still get you can still get it. And then I equally have quite a couple of other templates like payslip, inventory management, which is equally available. We have school management, and then we have hospital and pharmacy management system as well, fully customized. Okay, built with macro. So you with this one, you stay away from trouble because it's not gonna break down. It is fully protected. Okay, so thank you so much.